GN based builders, GN. Welcome back to another video with me, Astro Martian. If you haven't watched my recent videos, um, feel free to still join this video. This is the latest build. In this video, I'm gonna be building a mini app from scratch. It's an updated version of the recent video on how to build a mini app with the mini kit by base, stay based. All right, I'll be building it ground up, like even just starting from the idea stage. Just the entire thing, just starting from the idea stage and all that. Yeah, so please follow along with me. If you have your laptop with you, please visit the primary website, that's base.org. It's 11:58 p.m. where I'm at. Yeah, like this is me building on base at 11:58 p.m. GN, if you're watching this video, base up to you. Thank you so much. Please leave a like at the end of this video to show some support and love. All right, so let's get started. Mm, I'll be using Kiro in my video, but you feel free to use any vibe coding tool you want to use. So I'll be using Kiro in my video today. All right. So, okay. I'm just gonna open up a new window, close this one up, close this here too. Also, I'm just gonna open up a new project, documents, and just gonna call it mini app GN. All right. Okay. So we could do this as fast as possible. Alright, so the super cool stuff about Kiro is that you could there are different options. You could vibe code or have a spec. A spec is like the new a new model of trying to build something. So what you do is plan first. Oh my God, my phone's ringing in the middle of the video. So basically, spec is a way to create, like you create your requirements. It's more systematic. It's a more systematic approach on how you want to build stuff. Uh, well, you're not just vibe coding, but you're contextualizing. So it's like contextualizing and being more systematic about how you want to approach the idea. But then vibing is like just being lucid, just the whole essence of what it means to vibe code. You understand what I mean? But Kiro by Amazon AWS. Amazon from AWS. Amazon the creators. What did I say? Amazon the creators of AWS for Amazon Web Services. I don't know how to put it, but Amazon made this awesome vibe coding tool, and it's called Kiro. It's link in the description. Download this video, join the wait list, and it's a super cool tool. Try it out. So you could vibe code or you could just spec, and spec is being more systematic about your approach. But we're just gonna vibe code the entire mini app and just from the ground up idea start. So just follow along. All right. Awesome. So I'm in vibe code mode there. You can do spec mode, but I'm in vibe code mode. Awesome. Um, we get started. So we should ID that idea of a mini app I want to create. Okay, so I want to create by base from Coinbase. Uh, Help me with a simple idea that uses GN as a social button. I don't know. I just gave it an idea when I already said I want an idea, but like, okay, whatever, we could use the word GN as a social button in this video, right? And I'm just gonna share it. I'm gonna share some files with it, and and I'm gonna copy this from basement and I'll feed it with it. Okay, where do we have it? Right there. I'm gonna say um I'm using the minikit SDK by base. I'm just gonna go back to my tab. All right, copy this. I'm just gonna say stop building. Then I'm gonna go on, what was it at? Okay, mini apps. Get started, manifest. Shit, get started at. Create a mini app. They keep updating the documentation. They keep updating the documentation. Okay, mini kit, overview, some else, okay. Mini apps, mini kit. Um, sure, was it get started at? Migrate an existing app, create a mini app. I just went for like I don't know how long. I was been offline for I don't know how long. Came back and the whole documentation is updated. Wasn't feeling too good, but I'm fine now. Thank you for asking. Um, okay, launch registration, manifestation, manifest, authentication. It's just like a get started. Last time I feel like they watched my video and they saw what I said, but like please just the quick start part. Can we just kindly have a get started on the quick start part properly? Yeah, I think they watched my other recent video. I think there was some miscommunication there. On the quick start, please let's kindly have the get started just with the npm and store create the mini app command, then it could go down like um okay fine. So migrate an existing mini app or something like that. Anyways, let's just feed let's just feed let's just feed this to the AI. Okay, sorry for that. Where's my Kiro? All right. So give me ideas before we get started. So before we get started, I want some ideas. Let's think in. All right, here we go. All right, so here are some simple mini app ideas that leverage base social features with the GN Good Night button concept. All right, so a simple app where users can send GM good morning and GM good night messages to their network, track then the track tracks and see who's most concise and all that. One tap, or daily mode and saying everything like that. All right, awesome. So I'm just gonna tell it. Could let's let's create an MVP, an MVP front end for this mini app, for this mini app. Okay, I like the idea, so I'm just gonna ask it to create a front end for this mini app, and look at that base documentation being everywhere, all over the place, and then like there's the get started and like get started, for crying out loud, launch checklist, create mini app, okay, create a mini app, all right. This says like migrate an existing mini app, create a mini app, all right. Base app account, virtual account, you need all that stuff. Clone the repository for virtual to make local edits. Replace your username with your GitHub username. CD waitlist mini app, npm install. All right, so please leave a link in the description. Like just leave like a comment. I mean, in my below this video and tell me if they changed the base documentation. For crying out loud, have they changed the base documentation? I'm like trying to X this, like trying to like tweet about it. Tell me if they changed the base documentation. For crying out loud. Yes, they have. Oh my God, they have. They have. There's like a new way to launch. There's like a new way to launch your mini app. There's like a new you take your mini app directly. You take your mini app directly to TBA now. And I'm just finding out live in this video. Check it out. Like, if you do not know what I'm talking about, go watch my recent videos. You understand that the base documentation has actually changed, and this is super. It's a good thing. It's a good thing, by the way. Super good thing. My apologies. My apologies. I just didn't know. It's like I have taken a lot of time to go through the base documentation again. I just didn't see that. This is a huge update. Congratulations. Wow. You could take your apps directly to TBA to the base app without going to Farcaster and okay, preview app. All right. So this is the new mode on how to do it. If this video gets 100 views and above, I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna walk through steps by steps on how you could have actually achieve this and make sure that you directly deploy your mini app directly to base. This is super cool. This is super cool. All right, let's complete our app idea here. Back to Kiro. All right, so let's create that. I'm just gonna back here. Gonna say base.org and I'm gonna copy this here back again and well, all right, then I'm gonna click enter, let it cook. Awesome. Okay, so installation mode. I just remembered I got my laptop and I figured I haven't installed haven't installed Node, by the way, because I just got this is my new laptop. I'm on my new laptop. I thought like this installed. Oh, I actually have. Oh, I actually have Node. I didn't know that. I didn't know if I had Node or not. I can't remember. Maybe I did. Maybe I did have. I actually installed Node. Actually installed Node. For other people who don't understand what I'm saying is, when you're dealing with anything with npm or package managers, there's a package manager called Node. Okay, so it's npm, and for you to use this package manager called npm, you're gonna need Node.js. So you're gonna need Node.js in order to. So always make sure that you have Node.js installed in your laptop or your P or whatever you're using. MacBooks enough. I'm using a MacBook, by the way. So some shortcuts are gonna be irrelevant or not gonna be effective when you're using a PC. So kindly take note of that. All right, so back again. So we're calling this app we're calling this app. Wasn't clicking. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna call this app GN mini app. All right, so GN mini app. Okay, so package GN mini app. All right, optional for now, but it's really important that you always prepare yourself that you have that prepared. Sure, now as data, yes, please. All right, so cool. Um, we have that done. It's gonna say CD in it. Okay, say CD in echo chain MPX create on chain latest. You're trying to go CD in into the cart. I'm just trying to CD into that. Then just say npm install. Quickly say that. Okay, so just say this. Just the instructions are right here. Once that is done, just follow these instructions. So change directory, go into the app, and make sure that you store npm into the new project file that it's created for you with all the necessary. All right, okay, good. The structure looks good. All right, what is the next step here? So I'm just waiting for this to quickly finish up. All right, so now like it's done. It's done installing there. Just gonna move my image right here so that you guys could see exactly how I'm prompting my bot. All right, here we go. So we're into run. What command is this? Big shit on chain. There's social tracker, and echo chain, social tracker. Oh, fuck. It was supposed to go like J and social tracker. Just gonna tell it. Um, I'm gonna tell it I've like renamed the app already. So I'm just gonna do this. Um, I'm gonna say named the app GN social tracker. That sounds so fun, but I rushed and named it. I just named it my own thing. Anyways, name the app social. I named the app that and gonna give it that so I see that. So already in the directory. So just say it's already in the directory. Already in and so already in the directory. Already in the directory. So we take that. I'm gonna give it this names. I said names, so named. Why did I say names? Saying named. Alright. Perfect. I can see you already in the GN mini app directory. Let me check the pin. Directory to build and the MVP. Okay, create the project is set up. Let's check for the main structure and then we'll build the GN social tracker MVP project. Now let's check if the current page and all that. So it's doing all that. Super amazing. Fingers crossed. Yeah, we vibe coding. We vibe coding. It's like what's vibe coding without music? So that we need to put some music to vibe with. Can we put some music to vibe with? Can we like also have some music that's not copyrighted? Can we play that music that's not copyrighted? Jazz. I hope I don't get copyright strike. So non-copyrighted, really good vibe music. You better not give us no copyright music. Okay. Mm, I don't. I feel like no. What is this? No. Uh, I don't know. I see. I see. I'm just like. I'm just like. I'm just like. I see where it's not copyrighted. I see. Like no offense. No, no offense, please. If you're watching this and you made those beats, please. No. No. Come on. No copyright music. Come on. No copyright. I'm a piano. Vlog music. Come on, please. Don't tell me you copyrighted. Cause like. Alright. I vibe this. I feel this. I feel this. I feel this. Mm. Let's check it out. It says it's a launch then. Alright, so still compiling. Return. What's going on? Are we up? Just look at my console. Sound like a console error though. Mm. Let's see now. Sure, we had an unhandled error. We're loading this. Let's see that. I'm just gonna share this with my console. I'm gonna share this with my bot. Oof, just gonna copy this, man. And here's a tip, like I would recommend that you prepare certain rules. You prepare rules for your bot so that it would follow the rules. It would follow the rules of like you could tell it how to build a mini or feed it with a lot of ideas, like feed it with lot of context about how to build mini mini apps like with web applications. So you could train it so it gets used to like debugging and how to build mini apps. You understand what I mean? But coding but look like a DJ in it. Well, let's double check this working out. We're gonna let's control C. It must ping a little bit. Alright, so it says it's done. Yeah, alright, let's try to test it out. npm and dev. Double click here. So we'll clear this up. Alright, which is cross segment. All right, there you go. Also, it's a good morning. Stay consistent. You have your connect wallet button there. Send GM. Send one. Send GM. Super cool, right? Stay consistent with your daily check-ins. And that's your mini app on Kiro. And we vibe coded all throughout the whole way. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I will make super amazing updated videos coming soon. If this video gets more than 100 views, I'm sure to have that prepared. I'm out.